Grease maintenance for 12 mini excavator. First, turn off the engine and stop the excavator arm, and pay attention to safety. Get the grease gun and gloves ready. Start from the pin lubrication point of the arm and forearm. The grease gun should be inserted vertically into the grease nozzle. Slowly press until the old grease is squeezed out. The gears of the rotating platform should be evenly lubricated. The lubrication points of the crawler part should also be lubricated. Finally, record the maintenance time on the dashboard. Regular maintenance can extend the life of the equipment. Reduce the failure downtime rate.